Welcome back to Kanen Coffee. In front of me is a quick mill Monza Deluxe that was brought in because it didn't have any water pressure. It was not able to brew coffee or anything like that. So we replaced the pump and it was able to then provide enough pressure to make coffee again, as I will demonstrate here shortly. The steam working like a charm. And let's brew coffee. The machine sounds good again. The tray didn't come with it, so it's a little low, so it's doing a lot of splashing, plus it's in a coffee cup, not an espresso cup, but you get the idea. It's working once again, and it was a really nice machine to work on, so thanks for bringing it in. If you like the videos, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more videos like this. We make them all the time. Thanks.